Hello friend, welcome to the Digital Board YouTube channel. This video detailing about by the future is here testing out ChatGPT with win and lose analysis. So let's start my video. Can Such words on Tuesday, May 9, 2023. Reading time 8 minutes. This is a carry-on guest post from one of our partners, PSP Enterprises. Visit the carry-on partner directly to learn more. Let's talk about how I can use ChatGPT to help me with competitive intelligence like Overy Open AI. ChatGPT session. I started the conversation. If you haven't, I tried ChatGPT yourself. Stop what you are doing right now. Go to www.openai.com and sign up for a free account or to this generative AI tool. This is the breakthrough chatbot you read about in the news. The one that has been trained to know just about everything that can be learned from the web. It's exciting and a little scary to have this powerful new technology at your fingertips. AI this smart was science fiction just a few months ago. It can outcore most humans on a legal bar exam, write and view computer program, compose poetry, even pen a blog or two. Thought one of not this one. So why not go to the source and find out from ChatGPT itself what can be done? According to ChatGPT, there very little it can't handle from data collection and monitoring, sentiment analysis, competitor profiling, trend analysis, scenario planning, competitive benchmarking. To content analysis, it's got all the bases covered. But how about win and lose? My specialty. While ChatGPT actually conduct a win and lose interview, I asked somewhat incredibly how well you do it. All you need to do is ask. Oh yes, it called Bidan ChatGPT called potentially conduct a wins and lose interview using it advanced natural language understanding and generation capabilities. I thought it would require careful setup and integration with appreciate communication channels. It want on to list out the steps starting with question preparation, establishing a communication channel, email, chatbot, or web-based form, conducting the review interview in the clear and engaging manner with follow-up questions to seek clarification as needed, in analyzing responses to kind key themes or trends behind the factors causing it wins or loses, generating a report to inform strategic decision makers and ways to improve sales and marketing, and even learn from the process to get better and better at conducting win and lose interviews over time. ChatGPT continued me thought that will ChatGPT can provide valuable insight thought conducting win and lose interviews. It may not be able to fully replicate the analysis of human conversation or pick up on certain non-verbal calls. Nevertheless, using ChatGPT for win and lose interviews can still offers a scalable and efficient way to collect valuable feedback and insights from customers. I asked what strategies called ChatGPT deploy to help the respondent from losing interest or failing to move quickly thought mundane matters and spend more time drilling down into interesting and important issues. Always a willing servant, ChatGPT come up with lots of suggestions about how it will personalize the conversation, adapt the line of questioning to the interviews responses to be programmed use empathetic language and acknowledge the respondent failing or concern and impressing genuine interest in their experience and using all the standard interviewing techniques of open-ended question, active listening, and so on. So I asked it to go ahead and use all of these strategies and to place compose win-lose interview transcript to find out why a customer bought an Audi A6. I give it instructions to conduct the interview, following exactly the same process I use for my win and lose interviews. Outpropped a finished transcript with an entirely policable set of competitive car models, evaluated competitive criteria, considered importance and vendor ratings, rationals from the ratings etc. I then asked for and received a brief for BMW, Mercedes Benz, and Lexus for recommendation on actions they called take boys on the interview. I was obviously jaw dropping. It took me only 20 minutes to get this far and not a single line of computer code. The future of ChatGPT and win and lose. So it's time to hang up my gloves and call it a day. What's left for the human practitioner? Well, as of April 2023, anyway, ChatGPT can't interview human objects with the spoken word, so conversations well are all text chats in a window right away. I think that releases is if us a technology for when but lose interviewing in the way that I do it today, it's already hard enough to get respondent to agree to win and lose interview on the phone. Asking them to do it thought a chat window with an AI booth might have some novelty appeal, but sounds like a recipe for disaster of low response rates, low completion rates, and at best short paired answers to questions that are than the detailed, emotionally rich responses that you should expect in a win and lose interview. Someday, perhaps not too far off in the future, they will be very human-like AI avatars on the front end. But for now, we are stuck with text, taking a hybrid approach to win and lose analysis. In the meanwhile, I have been investigating how well ChatGPT could help with the day-to-day work of win and lose, saying it's so good at summarizing, setting is to work and on analyzing us a win-lose interview. Transcript was a natural task test, so I find fed in the material draw from PSPS sample win-lose interviews transcript. Its capabilities here were once again astonishing. It's mostly accurately stated what the interview was about and summarized the reasons why the winner won and the loser lost. However, here too I soon ran into real world limitation that you need to know about. Limited document length. Unfortunately, the versions of ChatGPT you can access on OpenAI's website limit the length of the document you can pass into the chat window for summarization to about 2700 words, roughly 20 minutes of conversation. My real world interviews are typically about 2 3 times that length, depending on how long and fast the respondent and talk. Configuration. Configuration is the not so small problem of the ChatGPT software, making things up. Things seem to be going fine, but then all of a sudden it can say a whooper. In my win and lose interview summarization and test, this showed up a ChatGPT including in its list of issues. Think about things that weren't said or might have been mentioned, but elsewhere in the discussion ruled out as a significant issue. That the problem with ChatGPT is that this errors sound completely plausible and delivered in the same confident tune as the correct information. So you must check it's worked and not let yourself be bombarded. Limited influencing. As smart as ChatGPT seems to be, it can miss points that require more influencing that it can handle. In my testing, for example, ChatGPT stated that the customer did not evaluate references, but this was not true. They had assessed customer references as part of the radar consultation. This logical connection was simply missed, or when I asked it what mistakes on the one of the wonders made it can't answer it correctly. So instead, it gave me a list of generic mistakes that wonders call make. Not that ChatGPT 4.0 OpenAI's latest version is supposed to be smarter than ChatGPT 3.5 in this regard, and my testing showed this to be true. ChatGPT 3.5 is free. You have to pay $200 per month for limited access to ChatGPT 4.0. ChatGPT 4.0 did a better job of finding mistakes that wonders make, for example, but it also seemed much more aggressive and possibly more prone to confabulation. Data privacy. OpenAI wants to you that conversation with ChatGPT are not private, so you can't use them with confidential materials such as raw win and lose interview transcript rejected, and anonymized interview transcript should be better, but I have not used it with real client materials. Adding the human touch to AI win and lose analysis. You have a marvel at the power of this AI technologies and their accelerated pace of improvement. It's hard to deny that they will have a transformative impact of all knowledge workers, never mind win and lose practitioners. But big ticket commercial win and lose, especially because it depends on asking a busy business manager for time to discuss potentially sensitive matters, is probably one of the least appreciated target for complete automation. Robotic interviews or overly scripted interviews are a well-known pitfall for human interviews already, and will ChatGPT instead the stereo typical robot that tells like a robot, it still comes across as a face face facsimiles when with an odd yet precise numbers. Exactly this at this a lack of feeling that will not engage people as a good interview most. It makes much more sense to use AI to supercharge conventional surveys and push them beyond their current limits as confirmedly research tools. But make no mistake, something big has happened and there is no going back. Can stitch words. Can is the managing principle of PSP enterprises, or win and lose consultancy is in Lexington. Mutual Tent can manages all aspects of win and lose interviews and analysis. For a high technology client can draws from his 25 years of experience in enterprise IT sales, marketing, product development, and service delivery at HPE and Simplicity, Pages Systems, GE Digital and Process Software. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना है। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।